Are you excited? Woo. Are you excited?
No,
Why?
no.
You're bluffing me lah. Right, so we are greeted by the structure of some animals, and this is what it looks like right now. Which direction should we go, left or right? I'm confused. Let's try left. Why? What did you find that's weird? Oh, I see the bubbles. Yeah, maybe it's an animal that lives there. Do you know what I hear? I hear waterfall. Now it's your job to go and find me where's the waterfall. Oh man, this is huge. Alright, so we're greeted by this massive waterfall. Yeah.
Let's try to go over there.
Yeah, we will.
And then we can try to cut the walls.
You know what? We are really going to do that, so we got to go and see how we can get there. That is your job. You'll figure it out.
So much water coming music here.
And there's some more things here. I think I'm totally lost now. Oh, here we are. That looks like the entrance to the bird paradise. Okay, so it looks like we're here now. And where shall we walk to first? Let's follow the trail. There's a map here. Would you like to see the map? Hey, look at the waterfall here. Wow, this is a very big waterfall.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out.
I guess that's the way to the penguin.
Yeah. So shall we go to the penguin after that?
Yeah.
We should take a photo. Pond. You know what? There's actually a show going to start. Let's go and see the penguins. Now, where do penguins come from? Where do they come from? Do you know? Do they come from a hot weather or a cold weather?
Cold weather.
All right. Let's go and see the cave, man. See, here is the entrance. Here is the penguin cove. Where is the penguins? I can't see any penguins. What? Why is it all so dark? Maybe the penguins are sleeping? What? Let's go and see this. Wow, there are so many of them. They're just hanging around.
What's some green inside?
Maybe they're cleaning it. Penguin exhibit.
What is that?
Hey Hamza, that gun looks like you. So lucky you went and saw, and then the penguin jumped. Whoa, there he comes again. Oh no! Oh yeah, there he is. They're kind of swimming around. That's so cool.
That's a fat one.
Yeah.
Oh! Wow! I like this.
What's he doing?
Oh, another one.
Oh.
Must be morning swimming. Nice to see you.
I can't
Swim.
Oh.
Nice. Oh, very close.
It's like they're coming to say hello, Hamza. Huh? That's kind of cool, right? Did you call them to you? Did you call them? That's why they came?
Lions? I mean lions? Like that.
Maybe winter, summer.
He's doing something weird. I don't know what he's doing. He's kind of like moving around.
No! I saw that coming. It's back. Yeah.
And we're going where now?
Oh.
Going to the Australian outback.
Yeah.
That is outside of this exhibit. Okay. So okay, we're making our way now to the Wing Sanctuary. It's like a medallion, a bird paradise medallion. Let's go. All right, so we've come on the tram, and I have no idea where this goes. Okay, so it looks like we've gotten on this tram. We're looking around here. So there are two stops. This is the first stop, and now we're going to the second stop. And over there, you see these nets they've made? So inside the nets, right, that's where the birds are. And on top you can see, look. So you can spot any birds, you can see it there. Oh, this is a deep slope. It's a deep slope. So you know what we should do? We should go wait at the show place. 10:30 it starts. We go there. Let's explore what is this. Yeah, look at that. Egg Splash, Sky Amphitheater, Crimson Wings of Asia. Oh! Wow, there's so many of them.
I saw some of them.
Whoa! What did you see? What did you see? I can see some over there. See? So we are walking in the aviary now.
This is so fresh air. I love it.
You love the fresh air? Now, can you see any birds?
I think so.
What are they doing up there? Whoa, something's behind us. Mr. Parrot.
It's a parrot.
Okay, so this is... I have no idea what this is. I don't know which section of the park this is, but yeah, that's what it is.
Hey, look.
Whoa! What are they eating, you think? That's kind of cool.
Exit to ground level, 90 meters.
There's someone at the back.
Let's go.
Wow.
That's so cute. I want to bring that home. I want to bring them home.
Yeah, look at this one. This is cool. Wow. Dude, they're so nice. Huh? Wow. Oh, this is an interesting room. Oh, so you can hear them. When you press the button, you get to hear what the sounds they make. See, they all make different sounds. Which one do you like the most? They're just pressing everything. They're just pressing everything. Look at that. You're supposed to listen to them funny. Let's go out. So we're outside again, looking at them feeding. The yellow ones over here. That's a really pretty one over there. Hello, hello.
You take a video of them and they go with me this day. That's so funny.
Where are you going? They're going somewhere in a hurry. Hello, friends. Hello, friend.
Don't go so near.
Okay. Oh, there's one guy eating over here. Look at him. What's his name?
It's a parrot.
No, his name's Jonathan.
No, stop.
Hello, Jonathan.
Stop making your names, okay, guys? Let's find this.
Oh yeah, a toucan. Let's go find a toucan.
That big fatty big.
Hey, look, the yellow one is here.
The toucan?
Look, they're flying up. Some of them are in the trees. That's James and George. I've never seen flamingos in a long time. Those are really cool. Whole bunch of them. Hello, flamingos. All right, go see some parrots. Parrot, parrot. Oh, and there's a waterfall. You can walk under the waterfall. Remember you wanted to do that? You wanted to walk under the waterfall, now you can do it.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow, these are really fat parrots.
Hello.
Hello! Hello, parrots!
Yes, you don't know how
Look at this guy, he's on top, he's doing something weird. There's a big blue one on the floor, look at that.
Yeah,
It's so huge. What kind of bird is that? Let me give you a look at this waterfall. It's very beautiful. Of course, it's man-made, but you know what? It's okay. We'll take what we can get. And let's go under the waterfall and check it out. And now we're approaching possibly one of the most dangerous waterfalls in the world, with crystal clear water and stone fiberglass. Here we are. Whoa, it's loud in here. Whoa! How about that? That's great. Look at the colors of these birds. Wow, they are really looking healthy. Hey, what are you scratching there? Are you a scratchy scratch-a-call-it? What's so itchy? What's so itchy? Oh, look at this guy. He's like, I want to scratch too. Yuck, yuck, yuck. What are you doing? Yuck, yuck. What? Poop, poop. The bird poop. What if they call it? What if they call it not bird park but bird poop?
Ew.
That'd be weird. Let's go and check out those really colorful ones over there. Oops, dead end. We have to go from the other side. Here's some way colorful birds.
I can't see.
You can't see? Okay, let me help you get up. Okay, if he had a name, what would you name him? Hamza, there's one guy, it looks like Gryffindor over here, he's just staring at us. Hello, James. Look at him. Look at him. Whoa, he's just standing there.
Crossroad. The name is called Hammer Crossroad. Now where are we going?
We are going to the location. Okay, we are now waiting for the show to begin. As you can see, this is much bigger than the old Jurong Park. Last time, the old Jurong Bird Park is not so big. This one become huge. So we're watching the Predator on Wings show.
We only got one different.
You imagine, this one is a Friday. Friday on a work day, you see everyone king already from the work. All take holiday, come here. I see him. Wow, that's a huge eagle. Look, there he is. Whoa, there he comes. Wow, look at the size of his wings. Oh my god. Jeez.
Susie has been with us for almost 25 years.
I see that kind of
Her talents are huge and she is unmatched actress.
That's right, brain that can weigh up to 4 kilograms, which is almost my entire body weight.
Now another fun
American bald eagle.
shawl.
That's Nelson, the Barbarian sea eagle. They can be found in Southeast Asia and one of the few raptors to spot right here in Singapore. Go!
See, I told you they all have names.
Two birds, but the size is the obvious difference. But there's also the colorations of
Oh, I hope they feed him the.
light.
I hope they feed
And with that, let me
the. Oh,
introduce
so
you to our
cute.
lovely owls on stage.
He's coming.
And over here, reflection is Soren the Fine Owl. Red contagious diseases.
So with that, let's welcome our turkey vulture, Zena. Coming from the Americas, these birds are one of the few with a perfectly good sense of smell.
That means if there is a date at all, turkey vultures are the first ones on the scene. The other vultures do follow suit.
That's crazy. Oh, there is. Whoa!
Griffin vulture.
That is huge!
Now let me tell you a story about Genghis.
It's so huge. Look at it! Look at him, it's so massive.
The Griffin vulture was on his migratory route from the Tibetan Plateau to Thailand for the winter. But along the way, he got lost
Wow, he didn't actually
and
do that.
ended up in Orchard Road, Singapore. He was found too weak and too exhausted to continue his journey. Birds gathered for the
Wow,
meal
look at his
and
neck.
strip the carcass down in less than 5 minutes. Once widely found in Africa, these birds are now critically endangered.
And the next course is the ligaments and hive of the
That is
animal.
awesome, man.
The antennae with large talons and
Wow.
moving, which helps to rip apart the top part of the animal to eat chunks of flesh.
Wow, these are huge. Look at his mouth. It's like doing something with his mouth. So these are like the terrace areas.
Mommy, there's a crane.
So this is the other area which we are exploring, called the Wings of Asia. There's a bird here. His name is Jameson. And Jameson is a beautiful white bird. Oh no, he went away.
See, I told you stop. When is the video?
What do you think they're shy, is it? This is a hornbill. It's just chilling out over there. And this is the rice terrace area, which is very nice. Some birds on top. They're kind of hanging around back there. There are two shuttle stations. One is 1 and 2. This is what they have here. So we are going to station 1. How do you find the experience so far? Are you enjoying yourself? Do you like the place? Did you like the penguins? So Hamza likes the Penguin Cove so much, he wants to go back to it again, and that's where we're headed. I think they will be swimming around more now. Yeah, they'll be swimming around more. And then you can see them like in the water side. Yeah. Are you excited to see them again? Yes. Okay, so we are doing this game thing here, like a token thing. Okay, now you gotta turn it. Alright, something came. Whoa!
Take out the gashapon.
You got a gashapon. And this is what we got. It's a glass thing inside here. Okay, you got some more token. Let's go.
Go.
Which one you want to show you? How many tokens do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, so many different types. Choose carefully. You want this one? Dinosaur? You want a dinosaur thing? Okay. Turn it.
$10. $10 for one.
Alright. Cool.
So one is free, then you can get more.
Yeah, I guess so, but I guess this is a cool way to practice your magic tricks as well. Okay, now we are going to see the Australian outback. Come, let's go and see the big ostrich. Let's go. Whoa.
You have to make a plan first.
Okay, pick a plan. What's the plan?
Okay, so it says you are here.
Yeah.
We can go here.
Yeah.
See the penguins again.
Yep.
Okay, go back.
Okay, come, let's go. Hamza, look, it says land of parrots. Let's go and see them. And I hope that we can see a ginormous ostrich. That's cool bird kind of chilling out in the shade. Wow. The emu. I don't know what these guys are. Okay guys, we are calling it a day. We've been here since like 9 o'clock. We're not going to see the other show. It's just too hot. And yeah, I mean, I think my friend over here, he has given up because it's just too tiring for me. He's given up right now. So we're going to call it a day, but it was really nice. We got to see lots of things. Did you enjoy it? What was the most favorite part here? Okay, as you know, he's not a camera person, but yeah, anyway. Okay, so this thing wasn't open in the morning, but now it is. So the penguin exhibit is actually on the top, and we are waiting for penguins to come by. So you can see one penguin come in from there, and a couple of them, and it dive quite deep. Wow.
Okay, and I just
Beautiful.
Right.
Okay, we are back from Bird Park. Hamza has got two interesting things here he's going to open. He got it from the vending machine. The first is a magical crystal, it looks like. Let me help him. And now he's opening it. You got to open it carefully because there's a glass piece inside. What is it you have got? I am interested to know about this. Is it a work of art? Is it a scarecrow? Ooh, looks like a crystal piece here. Yeah, open it. Open it. Open it. And we just see the glass piece that he has here. Ooh, wow. Let's see what it is. I think it's your favorite animal. It's a small little parrot. It looks like. Oh, why am I thinking of focus? There you are. Wow, look how it's floating in the air. You can keep this on your desk like a memory. All right, now for number two. And now for number two. What is in this surprise here? Ooh, it's a dinosaur. And it looks like a big dinosaur. So you've got to build it. Go ahead and build it. The dinosaur is in many pieces. Look at its mouth.
Stop Brian Pat.
Mr. Connection is connecting. It looks like you have a mighty dinosaur. It's a mighty dinosaur. It's a predator.
Can you, connect the head?
Yep. Okay, guys, let me show you the dinosaur. Oh my god, this is such a cool dinosaur. Look at his mouth. It's huge. And you can keep it on your desk and just like keep it stuff. All right, so did you have a good day today?
Yes.
Say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye. See you next week, and then have a good night.
All right.